Today we explain numerical of one-half factor. We write question number 1. This question was asked Bihar School Examination Board 2021 in objective form. Here we write Bihar School Examination Board 2021. Question is, what is want half factor? Want half factor of CaNO3 whole twice. कैल्शियम नाइट्रेट का want half factor कैलकुलेट करना है. First of all, we calculate number of ions in the solution of calcium nitrate. Here we write CaNO3 whole twice. When calcium nitrate ionized in calcium ion and nitrate ion, the number of calcium atom here 1. Therefore, we write 1. We write here Ca. The valency of calcium is 2. Therefore, we write 2 plus, due to calcium is a electropositive radical. Therefore, we write here positive charge. Here we write plus, we write 2. The number of nitrate ion in the solution is 2. Here we write NO3. The valency of nitrate ion is 1. Therefore, here we write -1 due to negative radical of nitrate ion. Here we write I. I indicate want half factor. Here we write total number of ions in the solution. We write 1 ion of calcium in the solution. Therefore, we write 1. The number of nitrate ion in the solution 2. Therefore, we write 2. And number of calcium nitrate 1. Therefore, we write here 1. We explain and solve. The answer will be 3. We write next question. What is want half factor of K3FeCN whole 6? First of all, we write K3FeCN whole 6. Now we convert in the form of ion in the solution. Number of potassium ion is 3. Here we write 3. The valency of potassium is here 1. Therefore, write 1 positive charge. The number of ferrocyanide is 1. Here we write 1. We write FeCN whole 6. The valency of ferrocyanide is 3. Therefore, we write here 3 negative charge due to negative radical. Now we write I is equal to here 3 ion. Therefore, we write 3. Here 1 ion. Therefore, we write 1. Here 1 molecule. Therefore, we write 1. And answer will be 4. Now we give a homework same as question 3, question 2. Question 3 is what is want of factor of K4 FeCl whole 6. Answer will be V technique. We explain number of K4 and number of this ion is 1. 4 and 1 add 5 and divided by 1 we give 5. फिर से समझा रहे हैं, पोटेशियम के 4 आयन हो जाएंगे, आयन का 1 होगा तो 4 और 1 जोड़ दीजिए 5 हो जाएगा, और 1 से डिवाइड कीजिएगा तो 5 हो जाएगा आपको। ठीक। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट ये भी है। दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड बिहार स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड 2018। जब बिहार बोर्ड का पेपर भारी था 2018 में, तब ये क्वेश्चन पूछे हुए हैं। देखिए कैसे है क्वेश्चन। द वांट ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ 0.1 m BaLO2 whole twice solution is 2.74. The degree of dissociation is, अब डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन इज कर रहा है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ आयंस इन द सॉल्यूशन। हियर वी राइट बेरियम नाइट्राइट and dissociate in ion. Number of Ba is 1. Here we write Ba. The valency of Ba is 2. Therefore we write 2 plus. Number of NO2 is 2. Number of NO2 is equal to 2. Valency of NO2 here 1. Therefore we write -1. Here we write N is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Number of the value of I is equal to 2 points. Degree of dissociation alpha is equal to what? We write a formula. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. The value of I in the question is 2.74 minus 1. The value of a small n is equal to 3 minus 1. We subtract 2.74 minus 1, 1.74 and upon 2. We divide 0.8 and 7. Then option is percent. The option in percent. Therefore here we write 0.87 into 100 is equal to 87%. Dissociation. The degree of dissociation in percentage is equal to 87%. Now we write next question. Next question is Mind the amount of CaCl2 I is equal to 2.47 dissolved in 2.5 liter of water such that its osmotic pressure is 0.75 atm at 27 degrees Celsius. Question we repeat. Determine the amount of calcium chloride. The symbol of amount of calcium chloride we write small w is equal to what? In the question we see I is equal to 2.47. The volume of solution is 2.5 liter. Here we write V is equal to 2.5 liter. Osmotic pressure is 0. Pi is equal to 0.75 atm. The temperature T is 27 degrees Celsius. We convert Kelvin and add 273. We get 300 Kelvin. Here we write the value of gas constant 0.082 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Here we write molecular mass of calcium chloride is equal to atomic weight of calcium is 40. We write here 40 and atomic weight of chlorine we write here. Now we write a formula in which these are present. Formula is I is equal to I into C into R into T. But here we write W into R into T upon MV. We calculate the value of W, so we write W is equal to pi into M into V upon I into R into T. The value of pi in the solution is 0.75 atm. The value of small m is equal to 111. Here we write 111. The volume of V is equal to 2.5. I is equal to 2.47. The value of R is equal to 0.082. The value of T is equal to 300. Now we remove a decimal point upper and lower. The decimal point in lower part 3 digits and 2 digits are present. Therefore, total number of digits are 5. In upper position 2 and 1, 3 digits are present. 3 are equal, 2 digits are extra. Therefore, 20. Here we write 2020 cut out. Therefore, we write 75 into 11, 25 into 247 into 82 into 3. Here we write 25 Now we multiply 247 into 82 is equal to 3. Therefore, answer will be 3.425 gram. It is a answer.